How to change your BeReal emojis. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your BeReal emojis. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. So open your BeReal app and go to discovery, and here go to emojis in the bottom right corner of the post. Now first I will set a emoji and then show you how to change it. So I will set this thumbs up emoji. Now to change a emoji, go to emoji and press and hold the emoji you want to change. Then here you will see a cross sign. Tap on it. Now your old emoji is deleted. You have to create a new one. So to create a new one, tap on it. And here tap on OK. Here we go. And pose in front of camera. And tap on capture button. And tap on yes. And now your emoji is changed. So this is how you can change your BeReal emojis. Thanks for watching.